CryptoSlate Daily Market Update. Bitcoin hits $19,000 as market cap crosses $900 billion. The crypto market cap has seen net inflows of $22.51 billion over the last 24 hours and currently stands at $907.55 billion. Bitcoin's market cap increased by 4% to $364.44 billion, while Ethereum's market cap grew 0.9% to $172.54 billion over the reporting period. In the last 24 hours, the top 10 cryptocurrencies all recorded gains, with Bitcoin topping the list, up 4%. Litecoin brings up the rear, growing just 0.6%. Since the last report, the market caps of Tether were up $66.28 billion and $44.02 billion, respectively. By contrast, Binance's decreased to $16.32 billion. BTC spiked higher on Thursday afternoon, reaching a peak price of $19,126 by the early evening before bears stepped in to lower the price. Ethereum's price performance of ETH mirrored BTC's, recording a peak price of $1,438 by Thursday early evening. The subsequent drawdown bottomed at $1,401 before edging higher over the rest of the reporting period.